Hi, I'm Joyce. I'm the energy lady. One of the questions I had this week from a few clients is, why is it that I feel so peaceful after you clean my energy field? So first of all, crazy swirling thoughts, negative thought patterns, the chatter of the brain, monkey brain, any of those terms that are used these days. It's difficult to feel peace when you have that going on in your head. But cleaning your energy field slows that chatter down. How? I can answer how. I don't know why when I turn on a switch, the electricity works. So I can't tell you how or why that works. I just know it works. Because the chatter in my brain is 100 times less than it was 7 years ago when I first learned how to do energy mastery work. And so cleaning up your thoughts is a really awesome result of cleaning up your energy field. So this energy that swirls around us, it's created from these thoughts. So guess what? If you clean up that energy swirling around you, that gets mucky and dirty because it's intermingling with other energy fields and because it's taken on the thoughts, the judgments, the fears of all the things going on around you, then your thoughts slow down and your brain gets quieter. One of my favorite things after a session with a client is to just feel the quiet in the room. Had one recently, an older woman who said, I feel crazy. So after I did an energy cleanse on her, she said, oh, I'm okay. I'm not crazy. So is that something you'd like? Is that something you're looking for? You're looking for more peace. You're looking for more calm, to have a quieter brain. That's what an energy cleanse does for you. It actually quiets down the brain. So reach out to me, schedule a consultation with me to see and learn more about this so I can help you out. So with that, I do wish you a very peaceful day.